Life's journey is not linear. There are moments when we find ourselves lost and derailed. But to get life back on track is not merely a return to the familiar, it is an act of reinvention. It is this continuous pursuit of moving forward that we find our truest selves, shaped, tested, and yet not broken.
Hi, I'm Ritanjay, and through this channel, I aspire to create an ideal life that balances productivity, health, and social well being. It's been 5 days since I'm back from my childhood friend's wedding, and since then, I've been trying to get back on my regular routine that is, getting enough study hours in, staying consistent with my workout, and fixing my diet. As I was thinking how to get back on track, it struck me that this isn't the first time that I've been in this situation. In fact, we all go through this. Getting off track is easy, but getting back on the track can feel difficult. That's when I realized something important. Over past 2 years, I've learned a lot about bouncing back stronger. Based on that, I've put together a step-by-step guide, not to just help myself, but also for someone who's looking to bounce back. Step 1. Let go of the guilt. First things first, stop beating yourself up. Let's say you were doing good, but suddenly you lost track. फिर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा गिल्ट होने लग जाता है और आप रीस्टार्ट नहीं कर पाते हो. दैट्स अ विशियस साइकिल. लेट गो ऑफ दैट गिल्ट एंड एक्सेप्ट द टाइम लॉस्ट. देखो, अगर आप बीमार थे, देन रिमाइंड योर सेल्फ की हेल्थ कम्स फर्स्ट. अगर आप ट्रैवल कर रहे थे, देन ट्रीट इट एज अ वेल डिजर्व्ड ब्रेक. एंड इफ यू वर जस्ट फीलिंग लेजी, देन फॉरगिव योर सेल्फ, क्योंकि dwelling on the past won't change anything except that you have lost X amount of time, and because of that you have piled up Y amount of work. ठीक है? Now shift your focus on how you can move forward and fit your backlogs into your new schedule. Step 2. Declutter your space. Messy space leads to a messy mind. Start by simply cleaning your room, your workspace, or organizing your desk. This can boost your mood and motivation to restart your work. Our physical surrounding plays a huge role in how we actually feel. Step 3. Micro plan your next 3 days. देखो, राइट नाउ बैकलॉग्स के बारे में सोचकर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ओवरवेलमिंग फील हो रहा होगा, बट द मोर यू dwell on it, the deeper you will sink into the loop of frustration. Instead, forget the long-term goals for the moment and just focus on the next 3 days. Plan every time slot. Once you regain the momentum, उसके बाद आप bigger picture के बारे में सोचो. Step 4, and one of the most important step, that is the night before. Your day doesn't start in the morning, it starts the night before. If you sleep on time and keep your phone away, you'll wake up well rested and ready to hit the ground. Now the next step, step 5, that you really have to take care about is the jump starter task. If it's studying, then decide exactly कि आपको क्या पढ़ना है, कौन सा चैप्टर पढ़ना है, एंड आपको कहाँ से पढ़ना है, एंड उस टॉपिक को पढ़ने में कितना टाइम लगेगा. इफ योर टास्क इज वर्कआउट करना, देन प्री डिसाइड कि आप कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट ट्रेन करने वाले हो, एक्सरसाइजेस कौन कौन सी करने वाले हो, उन एक्सरसाइजेस का ऑर्डर क्या रहेगा, आप कितने सेट्स ट्रेन करोगे, सो दैट वंस यू आर ऑन द बैटल फील्ड यू डोंट फील लॉस्ट. रिमेंबर, एक्शन बिगेट्स मोटिवेशन. एक टास्क फ्रूटफुली कंप्लीट होगा तो अपने आप प्रोडक्टिव और मोटिवेटेड फील करने लगोगे. स्टेप 6. अकाउंटेबिलिटी. फाइंड अ वे टू होल्ड योरसेल्फ अकाउंटेबल. इट कैन बी एक्सटर्नल अकाउंटेबिलिटी, जैसे कि तुम्हारे भाई बहन या दोस्त हु आर गोना चेक ऑन योर प्रोग्रेस, या फिर इट कैन बी सेल्फ अकाउंटेबिलिटी इन विच यू आर गोना ट्रैक योर मेजरेबल टारगेट्स थ्रू सेल्फ अकाउंटेबिलिटी एप्स लाइक नोशन. मैंने जनरली नोटिस किया है कि फर्स्ट वन वर्क्स बेटर फॉर मी, दैट इज एक्सटर्नल अकाउंटेबिलिटी. स्टेप 7. फिक्स योर डाइट. देखो, lack of energy and motivation isn't always a mindset issue. It can be also because of a poor diet, which we often overlook. And the last step, move your body. मतलब कोई भी physical activity. We all know this one. It is movement that makes us feel alive. एक 30 से 40 मिनट का home workout या फिर simple jogging can leave you feeling positive. It can really motivate you to get your life on track. In fact, this channel is about balancing your studies while having a healthy body. Okay, now my final thought. Just start. Remember, perfection isn't the goal. Momentum is. Once you start, everything else will fall back into place. The best way to reset is to take action now.